In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make big text in Discord and also how to make your text bold, all within a quick and easy 5-minute tutorial. Whether you're looking to emphasize a point, make your messages stand out, or just inject a little flair into your Discord conversations, this guide has got you covered. First things first, we're going to start by accessing Discord. If you're not already logged in, navigate to the Discord login page. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to enter your email. Go ahead and type in the email associated with your Discord account. Remember, this is the first step to accessing all the fantastic features Discord has to offer, including customizing your text. Next, it's time to enter your password. Make sure you type it in correctly to avoid any issues logging in. Your password is the key to unlocking your Discord universe, so keep it safe and secure. After you've entered your email and password, you'll notice a login button. Click on it to proceed. This action will take you straight into the heart of Discord, where all your conversations, friends, and communities are waiting for you. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Discord homepage. This is where all the magic starts. You can see all your direct messages, your friends list, and any servers you're a part of. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's focus on messaging a friend. Select a friend from your list to open a chat with them. This is where you'll be able to try out making your text big and bold. To make your text bigger, you're going to use a special markdown syntax that Discord supports. Simply type in a hashtag followed by a space, and then any words you want to write. For example, #hello will turn into big text. This is a perfect way to make certain parts of your messages stand out, or to break up large blocks of text for better readability. But we're not stopping there. If you want to make your big text also bold, Discord has you covered. Here's a pro tip. To make your text bold in Discord, all you need to do is use 2 asterisks, asterisk, asterisk, before and after the text you wish to highlight. So, combining the 2 techniques, you'll type in #***. Your bold text here, asterisk, asterisk. This will make your text both bigger and bold, really drawing attention to it. Why is this feature useful, you might ask? Well, in Discord, where hundreds of messages can flood a channel, making your text big and bold can help your message stand out. Whether you're announcing something important, adding emphasis to a point, or just wanting to make your messages more visually interesting, these text formatting options can significantly enhance your Discord chat experience. Remember, while using these features to enhance your messages can be fun and useful, it's also important to consider the context in which you're messaging. Using big, bold text all the time might overwhelm your friends or chat groups. It's always best to use these features sparingly and when they will have the most impact. That wraps up our quick tutorial on how to make text bigger and bold in Discord. Simple, right? With just a few keystrokes, you can transform your messages from plain to eye-catching. Discord is a powerful tool for communication and community building, and knowing how to customize your messages can enhance your overall experience. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful and easy to understand. Experiment with these text formatting options and see how they can change the way you communicate on Discord. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.